Coding in Webflow involves adding custom code to enhance your website's functionality beyond the built-in features. Here's how to do it. Access project settings. Open your Webflow project and go to the project settings from the dashboard. Custom code in site settings. In the project settings, navigate to the custom code tab. You can add code snippets to the head or before the closing body tag. This is useful for site-wide scripts like Google Analytics, custom CSS or JavaScript libraries. Embed code component. To add custom code to specific pages, use the embed component. Drag and drop the embed component from the Elements panel to the desired location on your page. Click on the embed component and paste your HTML, CSS or JavaScript code into the provided field. Page settings custom code. For page-specific custom code, open the page settings by clicking on the gear icon next to the page name. Add your code to the before head tag or before body tag sections. Integrate external APIs and libraries. Use JavaScript to interact with external APIs and libraries. Include the necessary script tags and write custom functions within the embed component or site settings. Test your code. Use Webflow's preview mode to test your custom code. Ensure it functions correctly and doesn't interfere with the existing design and interactions. Publish and monitor. Once everything works as expected, publish your site. Continuously monitor for any issues and update the code as needed.